Let's talk about why we think you, as an online instructor, should come and work with us or partner with us. First and foremost, we care about you as an online instructor. We don't want you to just use our platform just so that we can make money. If that were the case, we would not pay you as much as we actually pay you. We'll talk about that in the next slide. But we actually care about your happiness as an online instructor. We care about the brand that you're building. We care about all of that. When you're successful, then we can be successful. And likewise, when we become more successful, we can push that success towards the instructors as well to help you become more successful. So it's a nice flywheel. It's a nice circle that once it connects, really starts to fuel a lot of caring, a lot of success, and a lot of happiness between both you, the online instructor, as well as us, the business. Now, I mentioned we pay more than other major platforms, and that's actually very true. We do. Skillshare takes all of their profits. Remember, it's profits, not revenue. So they take their profits after all of their expenses, and they share 30% of it with all of their teachers. Now, that's actually pretty awesome. We love that they do that. We take it a step further. We put all of our subscription money into a pool, and we say 50% of that goes to the instructors. So that's a jump from 30% of Skillshare's profit to 50% of our subscription model profit. Udemy also charges a lot in commission. They will give you 25 to 50% of your own sale for an organic sale. So someone hops on udemy.com, finds your course, pays $9.99 for it. You're looking at maybe $2.50, maybe about $5, but no more than that. We pay 70%. And we can do that because we don't have a team of 350 people or 350 engineers that we need to pay. We've managed to do this with a very small team, which means we can pass that money onto you as the instructor, as the content creator. You should also come and partner with us because we will upload your courses and set up your profile for you. So if you are already teaching on Skillshare, if you're already teaching on Udemy, we will set up your course for you. Simply send us an email and we will be more than happy to help get you set up.